All right, everyone, Sebastian here, back again with more SAT math. This time we got a tricky one involving a parabola and a line, and I want you going in thinking about the discriminant. What's the discriminant again? It's going to be the part that's inside the quadratic in the quadratic equation. So b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. You want to be thinking about this part here, all right? So I'm going to give you that hint, so you'll see the question in 1 second, and then from there you can try it on your own. Try to do it faster than me. Okay, so in the xy plane, a parabola has an equation of y equals 3x squared plus bx, where b is a negative constant. If the parabola intersects a line once with equation 4y equals negative 3, what is the value of b? So the key here is that it tells us it intersects once. So a parabola and a line can intersect either once. Let's say we have a line here, and then the parabola crosses it. That's okay. Or we could have something where it crosses twice, or we could have something where it never crosses, right? So here it tells us it intersects once, so the vertex is at the same point. So what you can do is you can set these two equations equal to each other and then solve for b. So we're going to have y equals 3x squared plus bx. The reason students struggle with this is because they don't understand how to do discriminants. So we're going to have 4y equals negative 3. I'm going to divide that by 4, and we're going to get y equals negative 3/4, which equals negative 0.75. Then I'm going to plug that in for y into the first equation. So I'm going to have negative 3/4 equals 3x squared plus bx. So now we're going to move the negative 3/4 over, and we're going to get 0 equals 3x squared plus bx plus 3/4. And we're going to use that equation I mentioned, b squared minus 4ac, because that tells us how many solutions there are. If this equals 0, then one solution. If it is greater than 0, two solutions. And if it is less than 0, no solutions. So in this case, we want one solution because it intersects once, right? The solution is where they intersect. So we're going to have b squared minus 4ac equals 0, and we're going to plug in the values here. So a is going to be 3, c is going to be 3/4, and b squared is going to be b squared. So b squared minus 4 times 3 times 3/4 equals 0. The 4 is canceled, then we have 3 times 3 is 9, so we have b squared minus 9 equals 0. B squared equals 9. B equals plus or minus 3. But we're told that b is a negative constant, so it's going to be b equals negative 3. Now, this is definitely considered a hard SAT question. It's not the hardest one. I've done harder ones before, but it is still tricky to think about what you need to know. A key here is knowing that discriminant is very helpful often. Very helpful. So you want to think whenever there's like how many solutions involving a parabola, a discriminant is going to be helpful. 2 solutions, 1 solution, no solutions. So I would say, on a scale of 0 to 5, 0 being 5 plus x equals 6, and 5 being something that is going to take me a long time to solve. It's hard to think of one right off the bat that'd be easy to explain. But this is going to be a 4, maybe a 3.5, but definitely challenging. I think if you can get this one easily, you're probably already scoring 650 and above. And if you have questions on this, let me know. I'll be doing more like these, harder ones, maybe slightly easier ones, but I'm focused on hard questions right now. I hope this was a fun math challenge for everyone. Even if you're not taking the SAT, they're always a delight. And I hope you're all having a good day, and it's sunny where you are, but if it's raining, I hope it's cleaning your windows and watering your plants. Bye.